Okay, so as you see, interior is getting completely gutted. I am in the process of rebuilding this entire car. You know, the wide body kit's going on. But as I was gutting the interior, I was realizing that there are some things that people are doing wrong when uninstalling this center light. Now, this is the dome light, and it's pretty easy. When it comes here, there's not a lot of indication on where clips are, okay? So I'm gonna show you using one of these tools how to get this out without breaking it. And hopefully I don't break it while getting it out. All right, so one thing you wanna make sure you got one of these tools. If you need to sharpen the edge. Now I have two different types of these. This one is not the best. So I will put a link for this one and the other kit that I have. These are very important when you come to removing interior pieces. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this edge and run it between the bezel and the lens, like so. And these are important because then you don't break them. So as you see, the lens is popping out, and I'll just work this in here between the bezel and the lens on the other side now. Being very careful not to break or pry it. And then on this side, and then once I get an edge out, I'll just slowly apply pressure and boom, there it goes. It pops out, all right? So you don't wanna break these little clips on here. They're very plastic. These cars are getting 20, 25 plus years old. These parts are gonna be very hard to find, so you don't wanna break them. So now we have two Phillips head screws in there that need to be removed. So I'll get that bit, and what I'm using is a Milwaukee 1/4 inch impact drive right there. And there you go. You see the headliner is already coming down. So this is a big portion of what also holds this headliner up. Then you'll just take that clip out, that harness out, and it's done. But a lot of people are ripping around this piece because they don't want to take the time, or they're scared of breaking it. So that's how you remove it without breaking it, all right? So there you go. Now the headliner's coming down, and you can do the rest of your work and get it out of there. All right, peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.